Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove the front door panel on a Dodge Stratus. It's the same for the Sedan from all the way from 2001 all the way until 2006. So for the purpose you need a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. Right here you have one cap that you need to remove with the flathead screwdriver. You just open it like that and one right there in this corner. And this one tends to fly away, so be prepared. And now you get the Phillips screwdriver and we need to remove these two screws, this one right there and the one right here. Now we have 4 more screws that we need to remove with the Phillips screwdriver, one located right there, and then you should have one right here in the corner and 2 more on the front, one in the middle and one on the front of the door panel right there. You need to take all these off. Now you need to remove that plastic piece that's behind the mirror, so you just pull it out with the screwdriver. There is one clip right here. If you do not have a plastic prying tool, you can make one. Just get the flathead screwdriver and some tape and just put tape around it so that way you do not scratch the paint. And like that you need to pry the door panel. There is a few clips holding it pretty tight. Okay, one there, one here, and on the bottom and on the front I think there is 2 of them you need to get. And now you should be able to pull it out like that, go up and then pull it out. Next thing that we need to do, we need to unhook the door latch. Okay, what you need to do is just pull it out like that, and now you need to unhook the wires. Those are the one for the center of locking and the one for the window switch right there. Okay, and you have the door panel out of there, as you can see. So that's the whole procedure about removing the door panel. So that's the whole procedure, guys. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.